Hey, Jerry! Trying to break the speed record? Hi, Edna. Looks like you're doing some heavy digging. Is that for a special occasion? I see. You'd better get back to it then. Whoa! Something's not right. Edna's digging is making the tunnel ceiling crumble. Jerry, you should stop! Edna, stop digging! The tunnel is collapsing and Jerry's inside! Oh no! Carl, Jerry is in trouble!
Super truck!
The tunnel is blocked! Which transformation will you choose to go inside, Super Truck? Jerry, Super Truck is here to help. You hear something? The rocks have broken the pipes in their fall. Super Truck, you need to act fast. Hurry up, Super Truck! Let's go! What's happening? Careful! Oh no! The water is coming your way! You need to use your special tool, the ST-3000. A laser? Awesome! Well done, Super Truck. You managed to freeze the water. Well, enjoy your skating, guys. See you later. Come on, boys, pull hard! Ben wins!
Yeah.
Carl, somebody needs super truck.
Hey.
Today we've got a big race across Car City to the beach. But we need one more participant to begin the race. Super truck, please help them.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh,
Hey! Hey! Very impressive! It's time to transform! Get ready and go! Uh-oh, looks like Jerry is up to something. Oh no, super truck! Wrong way! Super truck, Jerry and Marley are cheating again. Please help Amber and Matilda. We're about to get to the beach. We cannot let those cheaters win. Yes, it's working! And we've got the winners! You see, it's better to play fair. Huh?
Hey!
Thank you, Super Truck. You saved the day. How cool! A ball pit! That's a long queue. Hey, Crocomile! Crocomile! There's something odd about this baby. Aha! We got you, Crocomile. You tried to fool us. Oh no, he's back. Oh no, he's going to use his eggs. Oh no! Super Truck, do something! Yes! Great job! Uh-oh! Come on, Super Truck! You can catch him! Oh my goodness! Super Truck, how are you going to get out?
Hey!
Yes! It's time for transformation! Thank you, Super Truck! But what about Crocomile? Well, we can't leave him there. Come on, Crocomile. You can make it to the surface. It's not working, Super Truck. Yes! Let's fish Crocomile out. Hey.
Hey.
Well, Mr. Crocomile, do you have anything to say? Crocomile is saying that he's sorry. It's easy, Crocomile. You just have to respect the cue. What a great day for a field trip in the forest. Wow, what was that? You're right, Matilda. I'm sure it was nothing. It's a tiger! Right behind you! Run, Matilda, run! Super Truck, Matilda needs your help. A tiger is chasing her. Oh no, he found you, Super Truck. Protect yourself. Oh, he's not dangerous.
Hey.
He just wants to play. Come, Matilda. The baby tiger is really friendly. See, Matilda? There's no reason to be afraid of him. Oh no, the baby tiger is on the road. If a car comes now, the cub can get into trouble. Super Truck is right, baby tiger. You should not play on the road. It's dangerous. Maybe the city is not the safest place for a baby tiger. Guys, you have to bring him back to where he belongs. Guys, the baby tiger went in another direction on the turn. Oh no, you need to find him before he gets in trouble. I think we need a good detective to find him. Right, Super Truck? Great idea, Super Truck! With the best police detectives on the case, I'm sure the baby tiger will be found in the blink of an eye. Did you find something, Super Truck? It's the baby tiger's footprints. If you follow them, I'm sure you'll find him. So the baby tiger came to the construction site, huh? Matilda spotted something. Oh no! The baby tiger is on top of that building! Run, Matilda! The baby tiger is in danger! Come on, you're almost there! Oh no, he's going to fall! Super Truck, the baby tiger is going to get hurt! He needs your help! Oh no, the mattress is not in the right position. The baby tiger is not going to fall on it. Well done, Super Truck. Now the baby tiger is safe. And now he's having a great time bouncing. What a naughty tiger. I think it's time for the baby tiger to go home. Right, guys? Aw, I see you really grew fond of the little guy, Matilda. Well, you guys can always come back and visit your new friend anytime. Goodbye, baby tiger. See you soon.
An ice cream? Yummy! What was that, Super Truck? Marley Hulk is totally out of control. Oh, what a disaster! Elsa and Matilda are after him. You should help them. You'd better become another Avenger, strong enough to stop Marley Hulk. Wow, you're not Super Truck anymore. You are Spider Truck. Elsa, Matilda, don't worry. Help is on the way. I think he's pretty close. Wow, Spider Truck is so cool. Game over, Marley Hulk. Spider Truck is onto you. That's right. Teach Marley Hulk to calm down. Oh no, Marley Hulk is coming back at you. Be careful. Spider Truck, where are you? Elsa, Matilda, watch out! Marley Hulk is hitting those cars to get away! Oh no. Spider Truck, where did you go? Wait a second. What is that sound? Amazing! You're driving on the wall! What are you up to, you evil truck? Girls, watch out! This is bad. This is really bad. You have to save them. Don't worry. Spider Truck is going to help you. The spider webs can't resist the heat. You'll have to use the ST-3000. Nothing better to fight fire than water. Good idea. Oh no, the fire is too strong. But you can do it, Spider Truck. Come on, you're almost done. Hooray! All the fire is gone now. Now, let's get Marley Hulk. Right, Spider Truck? Come on. Again? This is not fair, Marley Hulk. You will get what you deserve. You'll see. The spider web. Wait a minute. Spider Truck is here. You have nowhere to hide. Do you hear that? It's the police coming. They're on to you, Marley Hulk. Great catch, Spider Truck. Good job. Now Elsa and Matilda will do the rest. Marley Hulk seems to have calmed down and is back to normal. You look better, Marley. Well, now you're going to have to pick up everything you've broken. Well, I think he still needs to calm down a bit more. Hello, Super Truck. Ooh, what a cold winter day. Is that a chick? The chicks must be lost. They think you're their mother. Looks like the chicks want you to follow them. Oh no, a train is coming. The chicks are in danger. It's Troy, and he seems out of control. Super Truck, get the chick off the railroad. That's not working. The chicks think you're playing with them. Super Truck, it's time to transform. Let's fly! Whew! Just in time. You're safe now, little chicks. Jenny is trying to help. Troy is trying to use his brakes, but the railroad is covered with ice. He can't stop. Keep an eye on the little chicks, Jenny. Super Truck, you have a train to catch. Edna, you should be careful when you're crossing the street. Stay away from the railroad. Troy the train is out of control. There he is. You're in great danger, Edna. Super Truck, Edna is not realizing that Troy is coming toward her. Troy is too fast. You won't get to Edna on time. It's time to use the ST-3000. Great! The speed reactor will make you go faster than Troy. Good job, Super Truck. Phew! Edna is safe. Pay more attention when you're on the street. Troy, you have to stop. Troy can't use his brakes. What are you going to do? Troy needs to be stopped before he hurts someone. Time for a new transformation. Super Train, use all your power to stop Troy. Troy is going too fast. You need more power to stop him. Oh no, you're headed towards a dead end. Super Truck, come on, you can do it. Keep up, Super Truck. That was close. Troy, you have been saved by Super Truck. Troy, Amber is going to give the medical care. Jump in, little chicks. Super Truck will take you to your mom. Oh no, there's a fire in the city. You look tired, Super Truck. Can you handle the fire? Let's stop the fire then! Super Truck, get the trash can away from the fire! Oh, what a sneeze! Oh no, the fire is spreading! Time to transform! Super Fire Truck is ready to stop the fire. Oh, looks like you are dehydrated, Super Truck. The hose needs more energy. Give it all you've got. Frank is here to help, Super Truck. There is another fire in the city center. Super Truck will take care of it. Frank will join you once done with this fire. Traffic is busy today. Use your sirens so cars can let you pass. Super Truck seems out of energy. Even his sirens are off. Watch out! What a mess. Are you sure you can handle this, Super Truck? Oh no! Super Truck is shooting slime! Matilda, Super Truck is sick. He needs some rest. Super Truck is eager to save the city. You need to stop, Super Truck. You'll end up hurting yourself. Oh no! Super Truck is bringing chaos to the city! Rescue Squad, Super Truck needs your help! Oh no! Super Truck is losing consciousness! Welcome to the hospital, Super Truck. Amber is here to take care of you. Super Truck is worried about the fire in the city center. Don't worry, Super Truck. Frank is taking care of it. This pill will restore your energy. Super Truck is eager to save the city. Amber still needs to do some tests. The temperature is back to normal. Super Truck is fully recovered. Super Truck needs to save Frank before it's too late. Time to use the ST-3000. The super reactor will take you to the fire in no time. Great! Your sirens are back to work. Hold on, Frank. Help is on the way. Super Truck is spreading water at full pressure. Keep up the good work, Super Truck. Let's hope that Frank is okay. There is Frank. Let's make sure he is well and healthy. Amber wants to give you a medical check, Frank. Seems Amber is right. Keeping the city safe. That car needs a ticket. It's parked wrong. It's Dr. Zig! Watch out! Careful! Oh no! Super Truck, you have to transform! Quickly, Super Fire Truck! Matilda needs your help. Keep going, Super Truck! Phew! Good job, Super Truck. We have to remove it. Come on! Good job, guys! Oh no! Something's happened to Jerry! Jerry's stuck in the fire! Oh no! The fire is too large! We need more water! Frank has come to help! Where's Matilda? Out of the way! Oh no! The ray hits Matilda! We have to stop Dr. Zig! Where have they gone? Where's that smoke coming from? There they are! Dr. Zig is stealing energy! The fire is too large. Good job! Oh no! Use the ST-3000. Can the hi-fi machine wake them from their hypnosis? Frank's back to normal. Go get them! Good shot! Only Dr. Zig is left now. Watch out! That should put an end to it. Wake up, Dr. Zig! Time to fix all the damage you've caused.